Hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili in 10 minutes with
Benki ya Mweno.
Maneno, you mean?
Maneno.
And okay, so
Fresh Bro 8. And Fresh Bro 11.
And Fresh Mommy. In this episode, we are going to be reviewing the church words that we learned and try to do it quickly so that we can learn some new.
Benki ya Maneno.
Good job. So that we can learn some new words. And what does Benki ya Maneno mean?
Word bank.
Word bank. All right, awesome. All right, fresh kids at home, I hope you've been learning your church words so that you can review with us. All right. Okay, that's why we are learning. All right, are you guys ready? Have you reviewed your words?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, now I'm going to ask you to put your books down. All right, close the book. Ready?
Yes.
And let's see if we can try to finish reviewing this in about 1 minute. See how many we can hit up in 1 minute. And
if we're gonna do that, let's do individually.
No. We want to work together.
Not to see who's better, but just like in general.
Okay, but we need to learn new words. We're gonna run out of time. That's why I wanted us to do.
Let's go.
All right, 8. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. All right. You are looking. Are you ready? All right.
Okay, I just need 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Awesome. And again, I'm gonna ask them in English. I'm gonna answer them in Swahili. All right. What is God?
Mungu.
Father.
Baba.
Son.
Mwana.
Christ.
Kristo.
Holy Spirit.
Roho Mtakatifu.
Virgin.
Bikira.
Apostle or apostles.
Nabii. No, mtume.
And
mitume.
Good job. Prophet.
Nabii.
Devil or Satan.
Shetani or ibilisi.
Good job. A prayer.
Sala or ombi.
Good job. Sin.
Dambi.
Mistake or mistakes.
Makosa.
Good job. Blessing.
Baraka. Niapenda unachima.
Good job. Forgive.
Samehe.
Pardon.
Msamaha. Msamaha.
Sign.
Ishara.
Good job. Cross.
Msalaba.
Good job. Rosary. Baptism.
Ubaptizo.
Life.
Uzima.
Death.
Kifo.
Resurrection.
Ufufuo.
Body.
Mwili.
Eucharist.
Ekaristi.
Catholic.
Catholic.
Kingdom.
Ufalme.
Good job. Amen.
Amena.
Glory.
Tukufu.
Forever and ever.
Milele. Amina.
Praise or reputation.
I have Simba. Sifa.
Ability or capacity. Uwezo. Good job. Mystery.
Fumbo.
Charity.
Sadaka.
Good job. I hope we were able to do that in 1 minute. That's high five. That was awesome, guys. That's awesome. Kids at home, I hope you're practicing so that you can keep up with the new words that we are learning. So now we are gonna learn more Kanisa words. All right? More Kanisa words. We have another column of more Kanisa words. Okay?
Like gospel type of stuff.
Kinda. All right. So the first thing we are going to learn is akili. What is akili?
Akili. Higher. Intelligence. Higher. Same.
You're something.
Higher.
Okay.
Same.
Wait for that. When we get there. All right. So what is akili? Mr. Mind or intelligence. Okay. Mawazo or fikra.
Thought or idea.
All right. Can you say the video? What is ukweli?
Fact or truth.
Fact or truth. Imani.
Faith.
Good job. Furaha.
Joy.
Amani.
Peace. Nitamu.
Hekima.
Wisdom.
Shukuru.
Dancing so hard he forgot how to say the words.
Okay. Shukuru.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks. Give thanks to God.
Yeah. Fadhili.
Kindness.
All right.
What kindness did?
This is a big word. Kuwajibika.
Responsible.
What did you just say? Oh?
Kuwajibika.
Said some cool.
All
It
right.
sounds like you said Kubo.
All right. Try to say it yourself.
Kuwajibika.
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 Okay. Okay. The next one is shanga.
Shanga.
It sounds like Shangazi.
Auntie.
Not
It
shanga.
is auntie.
Surprise.
Nimeshangaa. That means I am surprised. Nimeshangaa. Okay. All right. Maelewano.
Harmony.
Harmony.
Elewa is like understand. So maelewano is
Harmony.
harmony. All right. Maendeleo.
Progress.
Ufahamu or
Empathy.
ufahamu or uelewa. No.
Empathy.
No. It isn't.
Empathy.
No. Ufahamu.
Understanding people's feelings.
Okay. That's ufahamu or uelewa. All right. Huruma.
Empathy day. Everyone has an
Ujasiri or ushujaa.
Courage.
Everyone has an empathy.
Ujasiri or ushujaa.
Courage.
Maarifa.
Knowledge. Like the 3 wise men.
Right, they had maarifa. Good job. What about heshima? What is heshima? Respect or
Reverence.
Good job. You remember heshima from the other book. Good job. Heshima is also reverence. No, that's perfect. Hisia. What is hisia?
Another word in this book.
What is hisia?
Emotional.
Emotions. Okay. What is uvumilivu or utulivu?
I have
Patience.
What's uvumilivu or utulivu? Patience. What's ukarimu? Generosity. What is adabu?
Modesty or politeness.
I can't even see modesty or politeness.
Right, and like we say adabu for good behavior, okay? All right, awesome. What is wema?
Goodness.
Huh?
Goodness.
Goodness. Wema is goodness. Okay. What is hukumu?
Judgment. Joker.
Remember when we are doing one of the prayers, we usually say
Judgment Joker.
Kuwahukumu wazima na wafu.
No, I do not.
It's a temptation. It's to be
judgment.
addicted.
Okay, so this is majaribu or kishawishi.
Temptation/addicted. Temptation/addicted.
No.
I've heard
That's
kishawishi
just
before.
temptation.
I don't know where.
Majaribu or kishawishi is temptation.
I've heard
Now-
kishawishi somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, kishawishi in that prayer.
Usitutie katika kishawishi. Don't put us in temptation. That's in our Father. All right. Shauri or ushauri?
Advice or
Advice.
Advice.
Wait,
Okay,
what?
English
the
is
same.
weird.
They're the-
though.
Thank you. Finally. All right.
Wait, what? What did
It's
he say?
not even that, bro. How do you have two?
What did he
of
say?
these identical.
How
words?
did he say?
No,
say
he
that
just said
advice
English
or
be weird.
advice.
I'm like, yeah, finally, every language be weird one way or the other. All right.
Swahili is weirder than English.
No, every language has its own.
Every
Okay.
language.
So
is
now,
most-
next word
every
is.
language
But the pronunciation, bro, it's so hard
Yeah.
sometimes.
Okay, the next word is kiburi.
It depends
Kiburi?
on
Pride.
What's kiburi?
pride.
Pride. Okay.
I like it. I
Nice, right?
like it.
Awesome. Okay, ulafi. Now,
Gluttony.
these ones are not nice.
Gluttony.
Ulafi is
Gluttony.
like being greedy and stuff like that.
Greedy.
And tama is
What?
like,
Why do you got what? Why do you have gluttony and then greed over?
they're kind of similar. Those are bad things that you shouldn't be. All right. So what is tama?
Greed or lust?
Greed or
Lust.
Okay. What's wivu?
Jealousy.
Jealousy.
What is aibu?
Hi.
Aibu or haya?
Hi.
Shame.
Shame.
Shame. Shame.
All right. What's wheezy?
Hi.
Mike and Luka
Death.
Wheezy is
Death.
death. Okay, and then Mwisha is? Hello? Mwisha?
The end.
Okay, do me a favor. Can
Of
you find
the
me some
video.
words that you remember over here? The ones
Okay.
the new words that we covered.
Hiya, hiya. Is that? Hiya, hiya.
No, that's
Hiya,
not
hiya, 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 hiya.
Higher.
Oh wait, hiya is not there.
Higher is shame. What is
Shame,
theft?
shame.
What is theft?
Heshima is reverence. Heshima is reverence.
And it's also what?
respect.
Respect. Good job. What else?
Mwisho, the end.
Mhm.
That's one of the.
No, it's okay. Just look
No, I
and see
need to
which one
see
you
a
like.
Oof, I just want to see the English. So Shanga was surprised. Ooh, Huruma. What? That was Huruma empathy or something. Is that right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not covering that. Okay. And then Ababu.
Huh?
I know it. Adabu or something. I know it, but it was mental.
But it's a good behavior.
I'm gonna sit back. Modest. Modesty. Or
We can see you. We can see you, kid. Kid. We can see you.
Politeness.
Politeness. Good job. Okay.
Yeah.
Which other one do you remember? That was not good adabu.
Yeah.
Why you just come
What's
back.
adabu?
Come.
Isn't that a dish in Spanish? Oh, it's adobo. My bad.
Okay, that was not good. Even you are about to not do good adabu. All right. So let's wrap it up. Give me another one that you remember from here. Or you like.
Hekima wisdom.
What about joy?
Yo, you're down bad for that.
What is that wisdom?
No, that wisdom at all.
What is that?
Hiya.
All right. I think we are going to wrap it up. Good job.
Sham. Drop a like if you think Andrew's getting bad manners.
All right. So thank you everybody. Thank you for learning with us, Fresh Bros. Good job. Catch you tafadhali.
Thank you, Mom's Donut Boom.
All right. Thank you, Fresh Bros, for learning with us. Thank you, Fresh Kids. Let's keep practicing. And next time we are gonna review them one more time before we catch you tafadhali. Sikuoni. I don't see you. All right. Okay. Sawa. Asante sana.
One, 2, 3, Cheetos. Yeah.
Kwaherini.
On 3, hiya. 1, 2, 3, hiya.
No. We cannot end the video with shame. 1, 2, 3, hiya.
Kwaherini. Hiya. Wait, is hiya shame you?
Just shame.
Hiya. I'm kidding. So it's kind of like copying. Kind of like the same thing. Just like gluttony and greed. Yeah, gluttony.
Kwaherini, asante. Kwaheri. Come, we say bye one more time.
Bro, what is this? Advice with an S and then advice with a...
That's English. All right. Thank you, everybody, for learning with us. We had to pause the video for a second because we had some higher behavior, right?
You're welcome.
Kwaheri. Mwah. Bye.
Hey, delete your Netflix account. What? Subscribe, Spiral, Con, your beverage, you're sleeping. Subscribe and listen to Tony Stark.
I don't get it.
Go ahead.
All right. Wow, that was really good. So let's continue learning, continue practicing. We need to practice those one more time so that we can get them before we move on to the next thing. Good job, guys. Again, keep practicing. Asanteni sana.
Kwaheri.
Hiyo ni haya. Bad man.
Kwaheri.
Mwah.